So, you're looking at a laser cleaning machine? Good. This could save you a ton of cash.
Believe it or not, prices for these machines have plunged a massive 85% recently.
But that's also created a minefield of junk machines and, honestly, total scams. And real businesses are paying the price. For this buyer, one mistake was devastating. Okay, let's break down the two biggest risks so you don't get burned. Risk number one, the heart of the machine, the laser source, it's a fake. Yeah, one company found out the hard way. They got a completely worthless forgery.
And the second big risk? They just lie about the power. What's advertised isn't what you get.
After all the downtime and repairs, that so-called bargain ended up costing over 13,500 euros. So, the big question is, how do you protect your business from all this? It's simple, really. Here are 3 things you absolutely have to do. Look, this is the transparency you should expect. It's the standard we live by at Chihalo. We tackle every single one of those risks with genuine parts and total transparency. No secrets. And we stand behind our quality. That's why you get a full 3-year warranty on all core parts. But, a quality machine isn't built with cheap parts. Let's look at the numbers. Check this out. Just the genuine laser source costs $3,500. That's a huge chunk of the price. So how do they sell one for $5,000? They use a cheap counterfeit laser. Simple as that. This means the real decision isn't the sticker price. It's the total cost over, say, 5 years. And here's what that looks like. The cheap machine's repair and downtime costs are just insane. When you do the math, choosing Chihalo actually saves you over $6,000. It's pretty clear, right? The cheaper machine is actually the most expensive one you can buy. So you have to ask yourself, with all the risks, which machine can your business really afford?